namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new here, if you like my content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support, guys. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, as well as the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay, so today's pick a card reading is next few weeks, what you need to expect for next few weeks, what will be the energies for next few weeks. That is going to be the topic for today. I'll be what you need to surrender next few weeks, advice for next few weeks, all our energies, then love life also we will touch. Okay, so all that will be for that, and then we will be doing I'll be doing charms also, okay, for this reading. Then we will be doing the letters also, and I have the stickers also. Okay, so and I have this pendulum also, so if you have any question, keep that in mind. I'll be doing that also. Okay, so yeah, we have everything today. Okay, so for group number 1 we have the sodalite crystal. Group number 1 we have the sodalite crystal. For group number 2 we have this aquamarine, and for group number 3 we have this blue agate. Okay, so relax, let go of all the worries, take your time, and then select a crystal and then watch your reading. Okay, so if you want more time, pause the video, relax, and then select intuitively. Okay, and remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, and in the description box there will be the timestamps. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you chose this sodalite crystal, then this is your reading. Okay, so I'll be using charms, I'll be using stickers, I'll be using letters, and this pendulum also. If you have a yes or no question, keep that in mind, we will do that also. Okay, yeah, so with this sodalite crystal I feel this crystal will help you if you are very stressed. Okay, so this will help you to stay calm, and this can also be helpful for your intuition also. So for third eye chakra, if you're trying to open up your third eye chakra, then this crystal will be beneficial. Or for some of you, I feel for the next few weeks your intuitive abilities will be very good, so trust that I'm getting. And if you're not feeling calm at all, then you can use this crystal, because this will give you a lot of calmness. And for some of you, I definitely I definitely feel peace is coming into your life. For the next few weeks you will be like, even though there is like I feel, even though there is imbalance around you, you will be feeling very balanced. Okay, so let's see what is the overall energy for the next few weeks. Yeah, walking away, right? So that's the thing, as I said, even though because you will be walking away from all these things, all the stress, all the anxiety, you're not giving into that anymore. I'm feeling that, the boss energy, where your boundaries, you're keeping up boundaries for the next few weeks. For group number 1, you know your boundaries. You're saying no for an answer. Maybe you used to say yes. Now next few weeks I see that you're taking charge of your own power. You know when to turn your back and go, that kind of energy I'm getting here. Like, yes, I can't do this, I can't take that much stress, so I'm just moving away from this. That kind of energy. You're moving away from people who are very toxic, who are like comparing you to other people or something like that. Maybe you're walking away from the friend group that is not encouraging you. Like, yeah, you're taking your power back. I feel like you're walking away from all that stress, all that anxiety. As I said, with this crystal, even though there is imbalance around you, you will be very balanced. I feel like that, because you are taking charge of your own you're taking charge of your own mental health. I'm getting, you're prioritizing your mental health. I'm getting yeah, so yeah, definitely. So very, very strong. So next few weeks I feel this pile will be in their power. They're not giving their power to anyone. So very good. And that is your energy. Like yeah, you know what is best for you, and you're taking decisions accordingly. Yes, as I said, your intuition is very strong. So maybe you're trusting your intuition, you're meditating and walking away from all the people who are not good for you. So yeah, that's true. So you're not afraid to walk away. Very strong energy, very strong. I feel very powerful energy, you're going to be very in your power. Look, we have High Priestess. I was talking about your intuition, right? And look, we got High Priestess here, right? So yeah, we have 2 number, so balance, right? So yeah, you're going to be very balanced because you know what is good for you, what is not good for you. You're going to be very wise. You're taking decisions according to your intuition, according to the wisdom of your own body. You know what is good, what is not good for you, and because of that, you are like, you will be in your power. You know that what is best for you. Okay, so yeah, I see a lot of power. Next few weeks you will be in your power. Okay, and you're like, what energy is yours, what is other people's energy, and so you know what is good for you, what is bad for you, and your intuition will lead you to the correct path, and you're gonna trust your intuition. And I feel hidden secrets are coming out or something like that also. If something was mysterious, you're gonna know, you're going to get clarity about something in the next few weeks. Okay, and for some of you, you're going to learn a lot of things about someone, or you might learn books. Okay, so that is also coming. And maybe if you want to learn tarot or something, you will start doing that also. I don't know, but maybe you will start learning something next few weeks. Look again, Queen of Cups. Look at that. It's like a kind of a psychic energy. Maybe you're psychic, or maybe you read tarot or something like that. So you're going to be very in your element. You're going to be very, 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 very intuitive in the next few weeks. Because with this Queen of Cups and High Priestess, I have to say that, guys. And we have Sword of Light also. So your third eye is going to be clear. You are going to get clear visions. Okay, so take note of that. Maybe you get some inspiring ideas. Take note of that. Okay, because that is going to help you. For some of you, definitely I see that you might have a vision or something about your future also, because this is very, very intuitive. Okay, I have to say, with this Queen of Cups and Priestess, no, yes, your intuition is on point, guys. You need to trust your intuition. So some I feel something what was hidden is coming out. Okay, so yeah, you will get answers to your questions. I'm strongly feeling that. Okay, so yeah, so trust your intuition abilities, guys, because it's on point. And if you're if you're psychic or something, yeah, definitely your intuition is so strong, guys. You need to believe in it, trust more, because you're on point. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, for some of you, if you're planning to read tarot or do some spiritual business, just go for it. Maybe you will start something like that. Okay, and yeah, meditation is very important for the next few weeks, so do that. And yeah, this full moon, I'm getting this full moon, you need to release the things that is not serving you anymore. Do some rituals. Okay, because I feel this is a very spiritual pile, because with this Priestess and Queen of Cups energy coming, look at the blue color, right? The blue color is very important. Clarity is coming your way. So if anything was hidden, it's coming into light. And look what is the back of the deck. We have Magician. So you're magicians, you're powerful manifestors. So next few weeks, have positive thoughts, guys, because I feel you're going to manifest everything very easily. I'm getting, so you will have every resources to, you will have everything that you want to create in your life. If you want to do a creative idea, just go for it, because you will have the resources. You will get the finances. You will get every resources you need, because you're the magicians. Okay, and yeah, I feel like that everything is gonna work out for you, guys. And yes, for some of you, you're empathic or something. I don't know, you take other people energy. I was talking about that. So meditate and do cleansing, sage yourself, protect yourself. Okay, that is also important. Yeah, this is like walking away from the people who are not good for you, right? You know that. You really know. And I think you're getting clarity. Next few weeks you will be very clear about what you want from your life. Okay, balance, a lot of balance is coming. Oh my god. So I'll just shuffle again. yeah, assessing, yeah, definitely. Look, I was talking about visions, right? Third eye. So yeah, I feel your third eye is on point. You're getting visions. So yeah, your visions. I'm getting that vision. You're seeing visions, your dreams are very powerful right now. So take note of your dreams because they're giving you messages. Yeah, it's hard to decode, right? But definitely you will know your answers. You're getting a lot of signs from the universe also, I'm getting. And look, the number is, you have 27, and that's reduces to 9, and we have a 9 again. So something is completing in your life. So yeah, definitely you need to be focused. Okay, you need to be focused. And so for some of you, definitely you need to assess what you need to, maybe you need to make some changes. If you want to make that changes, go ahead and make that change. Okay. Yeah, and I feel you're going to get clarity about something, and that will be very helpful for you guys. If you want to do something in your life, if you want to start something, you might be starting that finally. Maybe for some of you, you're walking away from your fears, your own fears, and you're finally trusting your intuition. Okay, you're learning. I feel this file is learning something, and definitely that will be very beneficial. The knowledge will be very beneficial for you guys. Or for some of you, you're getting this divine knowledge. Your crown chakra is also activated, your third eye is activated, you're getting a lot of downloads also. That will be, we have this full moon here, full moon energy. This month is very important for you guys, I feel like that. So do that ritual, cleanse yourself, release the things that are not serving you anymore, walk away from the things that is not serving you anymore. That will be very very important. Yeah, definitely I see a lot of emotional, I feel for you guys, you will be giving a lot of emotional support to other people also. Okay, you're going to be very selfless. But yeah, you need to keep that boundary also. Okay, so if you are like healers or spiritual or tarot card readers, you need to keep that boundary. You need to cleanse your energy. It's important, because I feel you're like a sponge. You take other people energy also. I'm getting for the next few weeks. Please protect yourself, cleanse yourself, and take a note on what is your energy and what is other people energy. It's very important. And the water, water element is also very important here. Okay, you can wait a second, guys. Okay, water is very important. The blue color is very important. Maybe you need to wear some blue color dresses, I don't know, but blue is very important here. Okay, so let's see what about your love life next few weeks. Yeah, let go of control issues. Okay, so yeah, this is about walking away. You're walking away from the people who are not good for you, who are controlling you. I feel like that you're walking away from the people who are like giving negativity to you, right? Who are trying to manipulate you. You know that in your heart, your intuition is telling you to just get away, and you're gonna get away from these kind of people. Maybe it is a friend group, maybe it's your own family member, maybe it's a love interest, whatever it is that is not serving you, and you know it, and you're getting out of that. You're assessing that what is good for you, what is not good for you. So definitely I see you in the next few weeks, you will be in a much better place than now. Okay, you are leaving the people who are not good for you. That is what I'm getting here. So let's see what you need to surrender. Okay, so surrender your ego here. Okay, yeah. Okay, I feel you will do that with this, maybe because of your ego, no, you are not trusting your intuition, because our ego says that we are not in our power. Our ego says that we are meant to live a life where we cannot have everything, right? Our ego says that we are not good enough, and finally you will be surrendering your ego. I feel like that. And yeah, and you will be like, I am important person. You're like, I'm important person, because in the past you were like you don't value yourself. I feel this pile never you don't value yourself. Finally you're valuing yourself. I see that, like a lot of empowerment. I feel you're finally loving yourself. And yeah, surrender to miracles. Yeah, I'm seeing that for you guys. Really, you have always try to fit in, and you're different, and you're understanding that you're different, Okay, and because of that, because of that, people have tried to control you in the past, but not anymore. In the next few weeks, I see you're taking your power back, and you're surrendering your ego. Your ego is like, yeah, I cannot do this, I'm not good at anything. Because I feel for this pile, it took a long time to know what you want to do actually in your life. Okay, so because you're very emotional people, and you don't fit in very easily, and because you're unique, people tend to think that you're weak, but you're not. And now you are realizing that you have power, and you're surrendering that. And when you surrender your ego, you will see the miracles. You're surrendering to miracles, and wow, beautiful. As I said, you're, even though the surroundings, the place where you live is not in balance, you will be balanced because you're surrendering your access. You are taking note of small things. You're doing the things you actually want in your life finally. Okay, and that's beautiful, guys. Yeah, I can see that. I feel the next few weeks is going to be very powerful for you. Yeah, protected from negative forces beyond your control. So definitely you're so protected. Next few weeks you're so protected by your angels, because yes, you are connected to the angels. You're connected to your spirit guides, because, and they are protecting you. You are being protected from the people who are trying to control you. You're being protected. That's why they're showing you a lot of signs. So you need to trust your intuition. Okay, trust your intuition, guys. Next few weeks, that's very important. Okay. Yeah, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. You're protected, guys. Yeah, there is someone who is very arrogant, and I feel you're walking away from this person. It can be a friend, it can be a family member, and now you're not taking anything from this person anymore. You're just protected. Family wishes come true. Okay, so yeah, I feel some wishes are also coming true for your family. Okay, because I feel this pile is like a very family oriented pile. Okay, you love your family, and finally, but I feel your family controlled you in some way, but finally you're taking charge. And next few weeks is like very powerful for you guys. You are going to be in your element. You're not taking anyone's crap anymore. And that is what I'm getting. You're like finally have the power to say things, say that yes, I can do this, and I'm also good at what I do. That kind of energy. You're not allowing anyone to control yourself anymore. And remember, you are protected. This is a very spiritual pile also. Wow. So what is the advice for you for next few weeks? New life, look at that. How? So this new moon, I feel, we had new moon, and I feel new things are coming your way. New life. You are going to live a life that is something different from the past. You're walking away from all that negativity. You're walking away from all that people who are not so good for you. You're taking your power back, guys. In the next few weeks, I see that you're doing things your way. You're learning. You're doing the things you always wanted to do. You're not afraid anymore, and you're surrendering that. I can see that. Wow. It's going to be a new life. Yeah, you might have you might be afraid, but definitely you're protected. So yeah, do that, guys. Wow, it's a new way of living life, doing things your way, because you're letting go of that control issues. You're letting go of that people who control you. Wow, you're walking away from all the negativity. Maybe it can be your own limited beliefs that controlled you in some way. You're walking away from that. Okay, you're trusting your intuition. Look, your affirmation card is like, all is well in my world. Yes, everything is going to be well in your world, because definitely you're stepping into a new place, new phase, new beginning. You're just like, I feel this pile is like you're having your rebirth, and you're just a new person again. You have worked a lot, and finally next few weeks you will be in your power. You're not going to give in to anyone. If someone says anything negative to you, you'll be like, oh, that's not my energy, and you'll just walk away from them. So that kind of energy, very strong, empowered energy. So yeah, everything is well. Okay, all is well in my world. This is your affirmation also, and I'm sure that is going to be the case also, because miracles, you will see the miracles. I'm feeling like that. Everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this situation only good will come. I'm safe. Yes, definitely you are safe. You're protected. You're so protected from your angels, because your intuition is also strong. So you know you can protect yourself. Your intuition is always guiding you to the correct path. So always trust your intuition. Okay guys, so let's see the charms. Pile number one. Wow, the group number one. Again, yeah, your intuition is going to be on point. Your third eye chakra is opening up. You're getting a lot of clarity with this blue color. I told you blue color is very important. Okay, wear a blue dress. I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah, finally you're fixing things. Finally you're fixing things. You're taking charge of the things. You are taking your power back. And yes, unicorn, magic, miracles are coming your way. Wow. 5 5 10, again new life, right? Positive changes are coming your way. 5 is all about changes. You have gone through a lot. I feel like that finally things are changing for you guys, and it's beautiful. Yeah, music. So you can use music for meditation. That will help you, because yeah, different frequency music you can listen, and it will help you for third eye and all. There are a lot of frequencies, right? Just search about it. That will help you. Or if you want to make music, just go and do it. Music is important. Yeah, you're gonna learn a lot of things. You're gonna balance your emotions. You know whose emotion is what. You will know what is your emotion, what is theirs, because I feel you're like a sponge. You take other people's emotions also. So finally you will balance that. You will read a lot of books, spiritual books. You're going to learn things, and look, you're going to be very balanced and very happy. Okay, that is what I feel for you guys. Wow, we have C and we have O. So let's see, add more letters. T-A, okay, T-A, T-A, Tata, Tata, bye-bye. I am going, I am leaving my old life. I am a new person now. Yes, I'm not that, I'm not that anymore. I'm a new one. I'm enjoying my new life. I'm having a rebirth, like that kind of energy. You're not going to take anyone's else crap. I feel like that. You're like, oh, they have to say that I don't care, and you're like, I don't care. IDC. I feel like that. You'll be not like, I don't care what they say. It's their energy. I don't care. It's not mine. You'll be like this. Q. Because I feel you had this problem, because you take other people's energy. If anyone says anything to you, you'll be like, oh my god, why did they say that? Oh, did I do that? And all. You were that kind of person. But now what I see is like a different empowered one. You don't want anyone's else crap. You're not taking that. It's their energy. You're like, it's their energy. It's their vibration. My vibration is not that. My vibration is higher than that. Yeah, I feel you'll be talking in frequencies of vibration or something. This is very interesting. I love that. Yeah, rat. There are people, they are not good for you, and you're finally like, no, I can't take your crap anymore. I'm out. You don't care about them anymore. Wow, that is beautiful. Definitely. If you have any other words, comment. Okay, so let's see what are the stickers have to add to this for you for the next few weeks, for group number 1 for the next few weeks. Okay, today is going to be amazing. Yes, I see you doing that. You are taking one day at a time. You're not stressing about your future anymore. You're just enjoying you will be enjoying your present moment. You're not worrying. Look at that. This is gonna enjoy, right? I can and I will. Your attitude is changing. and you are going to attract a lot of goodness to your life, you know, a lot of positivity, because your vibration is completely changing. I feel this pile is like going into a higher vibration in the next few weeks. Every love story is beautiful, but I love ours best. Okay, for if you're single, so maybe you will meet someone, or if you're already in a relationship, I feel your relationship is going to be more strong. And if you are in a very bad relationship or something, like, you're gonna get out of that relationship and you're gonna love yourself. I feel like that this is self-love also. Right now you're not allowing anyone to take that, you're not taking crap of any people. Definitely you're going to be in your power. So let's see, this is the last. If you have any question, yes or no, let's see what is your answer for group number 1. What is their answer? Yes or no? Maybe it's a maybe, you guys, but yeah, maybe the universe will surprise you. Because when maybe comes, it's like, yeah, it's happening, but maybe in a different way that you never expected. Something very surprising, I feel, for group 1. Group 1, very, very nice. I love this for you. Bye bye, take care, guys. Number 2, if you chose this aquamarine, then this is your reading for the next few weeks, what to expect. We'll be doing charms, letters, okay, and stickers, and I have this pendulum. If you have any question, yes or no question, keep it that in your mind. We'll do that also. Okay, so I have affirmations also. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for the next few weeks. So for the next few weeks, if you have this aquamarine crystal, then this will be very important. I feel like that. And with this aquamarine, I feel things are going to flow to you. Okay, I feel the stuck energy, you know, if something is stopping you from achieving things, I feel finally that energy will be like going away. Finally things are going to flow to you. Like I feel like the water energy. So don't try to control anything, don't try to stress about anything. That is also important for you guys. Let this flow. So I feel you need to meditate more. Okay, meditation will give you a lot of balance. I feel like that, a lot of information, and you will be in that, you know, this meditation will help you. Yes, meditation will help you a lot, I'm getting here, with your balance. Okay, so let's see what is your overall energy. Oh, balance, angel of balance. Yeah, balance is coming your way, guys. Yeah, things are gonna flow, you know. If something was imbalanced, finally things will be balanced. I feel it's your own physical or emotional well-being is going to balance, or the things you know, if you had disharmony in your life, I feel things are okay now. Things will be balanced. And yeah, we have this moon. Okay, I feel a new beginning. Okay, some sort of new beginnings will happen in the next few weeks. I feel like that. Yeah, a lot of balance is coming, but you need to meditate more. You need to balance your own energies also. So if you're stressing about something, don't stress. It's time to meditate. Whenever you stress, just sit quiet. Okay, don't let your overthinking stress you out. I feel like that you need to meditate more, because I'm getting a vision of a person who is meditating. So I feel like you need to yeah, maybe for some of you need to meditate near a water body or something, like near a beach. That will be very beneficial for you guys. Or maybe you will go to a beach or meditate, or spend some quality time there. I feel like that. I don't know, I feel like that. Maybe you will go have some quality time there. Okay, let's see. But it's cold. Okay, I know, but I don't know, maybe some of you will go. Okay, so let's see. But maybe anyways, you need to cleanse your energy. Maybe have a spiritual bath, maybe cleanse your energy, maybe have a relaxing bath. Okay, that will be very beneficial for your own balance. Because I feel this spider is like stressing about something, because you have been working on something and it's not taking off, and you're like stressing about it. You're feeling very lost. I feel like that, lost. Why? I've been working. Why things are not manifesting for me? If you're thinking like that, maybe it's your own energy that is blocking it. Okay, so don't stress too much. I feel like that for group number 2. Next few weeks, don't stress too much. Don't be so concerned about the outcome, okay? Just keep on doing your work. Even if it's a relationship, whatever it is, just keep on working on yourself. Yeah, maybe for some of you, you need to work on yourself also, on your energies, okay? So let's see what else for the next few weeks for group number, oh my god, I'm gonna take that 2 of Wands, okay, because yeah, so let's say the 2 of Wands. Yeah, it's time for action, guys. It's time for action. Just do what you want to do. Focus on your goals and keep on moving forward, okay? For some of you, travel might be possible, okay? For the next few weeks, you might travel also, okay? Okay, for some of you, there is a person coming who will give you a lot of like advice. And oh wow, look at that cards. We have 2 tens here, and the back of the deck we have 21. So endings, major endings, finally balance is coming into your life. Wow. So family, okay, you know, relationship, I feel lot of happiness is coming, okay? Lot of happy times. Yeah, as I was talking about that, maybe some friend of yours will give you some advice that will be very beneficial for you guys. I don't know, I feel like that. So yeah, if something is stuck, if something is not manifesting for you, I see that is happening in the next few weeks. Look at the cards, guys. 10 and 10, completion, and we had this 21 world card. The back of the deck energy was the bold card, isn't it? So I feel like you will have the energy, you know, to move forward with your goals. And the only thing you need to do right now, I feel, for group number 2 is to relax, okay? Is to not stress why things are not manifesting for you. For this pile, I feel like that you are stressing a lot. You will do your work and then you will keep stressing whether this will work out or not. Oh my god. And because of that, your energies are imbalanced, and because of that, the manifestation is not taking place. I'm getting that. So you need to do that. The first thing you need to do is to balance your energies, is do meditation, guys, and through that only you can feel balanced. So balance is very important. And yeah, for some of you, there is a friend who will give you some advice. Take that advice, okay? This person may be a fire sign, and this person will bring a lot of balance into your life. For some of you, definitely this can be your partner who will give you good advice, and this advice will give you a lot of peace, calmness. I'm getting that, okay? So yeah, that is what I feel like, okay? A lot of calmness is coming your way. So next few weeks, meditate. Meditation will give you a lot of answers also. And look at this, we have 10, completion of a cycle, finally healing. I feel you were healing yourself, and finally things are going to move forward for you guys. That is what I'm getting. New beginning, new start. And this new moon has been very, very I feel the power, this new moon, we had this new moon in Capricorn, right? So I feel that is that is opening a lot of doors for many of you. I feel like that. And yeah, we have 10, we have 1, and then we have 2, right? And then we have 48, right? So it reduces to 3. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. So progression, right? So things are going to move forward. And we had the back of the deck, we had 21, and that is also reduces to 3, right? So yeah, so I have to say that completion, a cycle is completing. You know, if you had disharmony in your life, harmony is coming your way. Lot of family time. If you had dispute in your family, I see that is resolving. For some of you, might get money through your family. If you have financial problems, I'm getting that also. Okay, lot of reunions. Maybe you're gonna spend a lot of quality time with your family members, with your partner, having fun time, and doing what you want to do, taking action, moving forward. So the only thing you have to do right now is to balance your own energies. Don't stress about the outcome. I feel that is the important thing here. Because of your own energies, I feel your manifestations are taking more time. So please don't stress too much, just leave it, just do your work and leave it, okay? Because I feel your work is going to flourish, okay? If you're concerned about your career or your family, everything will be good, but don't stress right now. Balance your energies. Yeah, new start. Wow, this, okay, very nice, huh? Progression. Things are going to move forward. If you were feeling very stagnant, things are going to move forward in the next few weeks. The group one was also very positive, your pile is also very positive, but yeah, you need to balance your energies. You need to meditate, guys. You need to meditate and relax and spend some quality time with yourself, okay? That's very important. Release. Look what I was talking about. You need to release certain things, your past, the things that is not serving you, your own stress, your own overthinking. Because this pile, I feel like that you need to balance your energies, right? Yeah, that is very important here. You need to balance your energies. Again, we got number 9, completion. 9, right? Completion is coming your way. Things are completing, a cycle is ending, and finally you're entering a new stage in your life. And in this new stage, your stress and worry shouldn't go, okay? Remember that. So you need to release that, okay? So let's see what your love life is. I feel your love life will be good only. Because you, or even the family, friends having reunions, give your relationship a chance, work on your partnerships. Okay, so if you had problem, if you were stressing about your partnership, definitely you need to give a chance to this person, because I feel this will give you happy results. So maybe for some of you, you need to let go of your overthinking about this person. You might be overthinking that this person is not listening to me, why they are doing that, maybe you're overthinking. So you need to work. I feel for many of you, you need to see their perspective also, and that is when your relationship will be in harmony. So yeah, harmony is coming, but you need to release that. Maybe you're thinking about only one side. You need to think from their perspective also, and that is when you will I feel you will have a good time together, but definitely you need to release something. Yeah, maybe this is the thing you're overthinking about. Maybe they had done something in past, they might have said something, and you're like holding on to that. So you need to know why they said that, or maybe you need to have a conversation with that, or an open communication. I'm feeling like that. Or maybe it can be a family member also, maybe can be a friend relationship also, or maybe can be a business partnership also. You need to give a chance. That is what they are saying here, okay? The cards are saying that, okay? And this will give you a lot of I feel if you do that, if you do that, you will get a lot of success, you will get a lot of happiness. I feel like that, okay? You need to release, I don't know, I'm getting this word, you need to release the need to be always right. Sometimes we can also be wrong. I don't know why I'm getting that. It doesn't it doesn't mean that you need to bow down, it's not that, but you need to give them a chance also. I feel like that, to say their things. And because of that, misunderstandings, I feel some misunderstandings are happening here. So maybe you need to work on that. So what do you need to surrender? Oh, surrender comparisons with other people. Okay, maybe if you're in love life, you're comparing your partner to other partner. Oh, they are doing that, you're not doing that. Maybe because of that, you're expecting a lot from this person, and you're not seeing the side of this person that is very good. Maybe you need to release that. Or maybe for some of you, you are comparing yourself to other people, your work to other people. Don't do that. You don't have to compare, because you have so much of success. Why are you comparing yourself or your relationship or your journey to other people? They have their own journey. This is going to be completely different from yours. So you don't have to compare yourself to anyone. Stop that. Release that comparison, okay? You shouldn't compare your relationship to other people, whatever, because their journey is different, your journey is completely different. So surrender that. The next few weeks, it's going to be very important. Okay, you got a lot of cards here. Oh, surrender outdated beliefs about yourself. Yeah, You need to stop doing that. Surrender to trust. You need to trust this person also, I'm getting, or universe altogether. Surrender defensiveness. Yeah, definitely. And surrender to procrastination. Okay, for some of you, you need to do the work you need to do now. Do it now. Okay, so some of you are getting lazy so you need to work on that. Or maybe it's your, the comparisons and outdated beliefs of yourself. For some of you, definitely you are comparing your relationship to other people. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't compare yourself. Don't be so defensive. I feel for this pile, you need to have an open communication. If I feel some misunderstandings are there, you need to talk. You need to give them a chance to talk or something like that. Work on that and trust universe, trust yourself. That is very important, and that is when you will get that happiness, that joy, because you're comparing yourself to other people. You're stressing what other people will think about me. Don't do that. Release all that thing. Okay, very important here. I don't know why for some of you, you're very you feel very shameful. You don't have to. Okay, it's okay. Don't try to do, you don't have to be perfect all the time. We are human beings. Okay, you don't have to compare. Look, time to go out and have fun. Yeah, you need to relax your energies. I feel like that. Have some quality time with your friends, family. Have some time, if you have a friend, just spend some quality time with them and surrender. Or maybe go in a place where you can be alone and just relax and meditate. Because a lot of stress, you need to balance that. Okay. Yeah, reconciliation. Okay, definitely. Okay, for some of you, you are okay, for some of you, definitely with these two cards, you're not talking with this person, or maybe you need to give a chance to this person. Okay, because you need to you need to let go of this something that maybe you need to surrender to that outdated belief of the relationship. Maybe you wanted this way, but different people have different way of living, right? You don't have to compare yourself to other people, right? Your relationship to other people. And I feel this is completely a misunderstanding, and I feel many of you will be talking again. It can be your friend, it can be your business partner, it can be your partnership. So definitely things are going to be balanced. Okay, so yeah, so take some time out, think about it, relax and think about it. What went wrong? What is the if you need to speak up, go and speak up, speak your truth, have an open communication. That will give you a lot of happiness. I feel like that, because if you talk to this person and if I don't know why I feel for this pile, it's like a complete misunderstanding about something. So you need to talk to this person. Just need to work on that partnership, because we got reconciliation and work on your partnership. So I'm saying that. Okay, yeah, look, it's the time to building blocks, for your career, for your relationship. It's time to build it. Okay, so you need to let go of the things that is not serving you. You need to release, guys. You need to release a lot of things that is holding you back. Your comparisons with other people, your defensiveness. You need to work on that. You need to be self-disciplined. I'm getting here for career. If you need to make progress in your career, because you can make a lot of progress with this 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups, you can make a lot of progress in your career, in your relationship. But you need to take action. You need to work. You need to be self-disciplined. Okay, you need to surrender to that ego also. Okay, yeah, and yeah, definitely you feel that you are not able to do it, and you need to let go of that also. Maybe sometimes you try to defend yourself a lot. There's no need to. I feel like that. You need to trust more in yourself, in your own capabilities. That is also very important. Okay, for group number 2. So let's see what is the affirmation for you guys. I trust my inner wisdom. Yeah, trust. Again, you need to trust your inner wisdom. Maybe you want to talk to this person and you are like, no, I don't want to talk. But your heart is saying, let's go talk. Maybe but your ego is saying no, don't talk. So it's time to trust your inner wisdom. It's time to do the things. For some of you in your career, if you want to do something different, go ahead and do it. What's stopping you? Just trust your inner wisdom. So go out, relax, meditate, you will get your answers, guys. Okay, so you need to trust your inner wisdom. You're getting a lot of, you know what you want to do, but you're not taking action. You're not listening to your heart. It's time to do that. As I go about my daily affairs, I listen to my own guidance. My intuition is always on my side. I trust it to be there at all times. I'm safe. So this is your affirmation. So you need to trust your inner wisdom. Okay? Next few months, remember that. Okay, so let's see your charms. So group number 2. For stability, yeah, things are changing. You know, things will be stable. In your career also, things are going to change. Okay, be self-disciplined. Work hard, guys. Be disciplined. Maybe for some of you, you are so in fear that whether this idea will not work out. So release that fear also. Release. Trust your inner wisdom. Again, trust your inner wisdom. And then we have this lizard. Lizard gets, lizard is like regeneration. You're regenerating yourself. You can survive anywhere, guys. Okay, remember that you're strong. Okay, but you need to trust your inner wisdom. Stability is there, security is there, but you need to get out of your own limited beliefs about yourself. Maybe you are putting yourself in a box. You're not getting out of the box, or maybe you're not seeing the perspective of other people. You need to get into their shoes also. So that is, I feel for this pile, there is some miscommunication here for some of you in your relationship. You need to speak it out. Don't let your ego stop you from talking to this person, because I feel with the cards, you need to speak to them, because there is some misunderstanding. They are not seeing your perspective, and you're not seeing their perspective. So you need to have an open communication here. There is a lack of communication, I feel like that, in your partnership, whether it's business, it's career or something. If you're collaborating with someone, you need to have an open communication. And because when you do that, I see a lot of success for you guys. And that is what, your energies are not so balanced. You're overthinking a lot. You need to release that thing that is not serving you. So yeah, a lot of changes are coming. Okay, so yeah, and we have R and H also. So let's see. We have, look, you need to trust your inner wisdom. Maybe your spirit animus is all, and you're seeing a lot of alls. I don't know, but definitely you need to trust your inner wisdom, your intuition. That is where is going to lead you to success in your life. You are not trusting it. You need to meditate, guys. Okay, FIR. Okay, UEJZ. Z. Okay, so this is your letters. So let's see the stickers. So for group number 2, next few weeks. Okay. The distance between your dreams and reality is called action. Yeah, you need to do action. We have this procrastination. It's time to build blocks. It's time to be self-disciplined. As I said, together is the best place to be. So this person, I feel there is some misunderstanding, and you need to have a communication with this person. Okay, attitude is everything. That doesn't mean you need to bow head or go down. No, just talk to them. Have an open communication. They can say their side, you can say your side. Just have an open communication. I feel like that. Be patient with yourself. Nothing in nature blooms all year. So you need to be patient with yourself, your work. Maybe, I feel this pile is also very much attached to your results in your career. If you do something, if you don't get the desired outcome, you get very impatient. It will take time. Okay, don't be impatient. In relationship also, in your career also, in everyday life, impatience is not going to work for you guys, and because of impatience I feel you become imbalanced because you overthink a lot. So stop that, okay? Yeah, so that's all, group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Sorry, group number 2, I forgot about your pendulum. So please, if you have a yes or no question, so yeah, so let's see for group number 2 for your yes or no question. Let's see. Okay, try again. For group number 2, what is the answer to yes or no question? Okay, ask a friend. You got ask a friend, okay guys? Group number 3, if you chose this blue agate, okay? So with this blue agate, I feel for many of you, you are you stressing about your money or something like that? Don't stress, let it flow. There's a lot of stress and anxiety is there also, so about related to money, I guess, related to your finances. So yeah, you will attract abundance, I'm getting. So don't worry about it, okay? When you worry, that is when it stops, okay? So it's important you have this calmness inside you, okay? So be calm, okay? Be calm. That is what I'm feeling for this blue agate. So let's see your overall energy. Oh god, we got woman holding a coin and we have action. Okay, it's time to do action. It's time to, you have done a lot of inner work, I'm getting here for you guys. Now it's time for the outer work, okay? So you, for this pile, I kind of feel like you have worked on yourself, on your confidence. Now it's time to get out, show the true self, okay? It's time to show your true self to the world. It's time for action. It's time to do the things you want to do in your life, okay? With this woman holding a coin, I feel for some of you, you might get a little bit money from a mother figure or an older lady. Okay, for some of you, definitely you are going to get some money or some advice from an older lady, okay? Financial help can also come, okay? So maybe if you are stressing about your finances, I see some help is coming your way. Maybe someone will be very generous to give you some money. And for some of you, if you're planning to start a business or something like that, if you have an idea, if you have been thinking about it, it's time to do the action. It's not the time to sit back, it's time for action. You have done that, you have been thinking about it for a longer time. Now it's time to go. Now it's time to run. It's not this time to sit or walk, it's time to run, because look at this horse is like running, right? It's time for action. It's time to go and grab that. It's time to, if you want a job, just give that interview. It's if you want to something, if you want to start that YouTube channel, just go ahead. It's next week, it's time for action, and you will get the support. And for some of you, literally I said, for some of you, you're with this cat energy, you're going to be very independent financially. You'll be feeling secured financially, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you're going to get some financial help, and for others of you, if you are a businesswoman or something like that, you're going to be in your top. I feel like that for some of you, but you need to do action. You need to work hard, and when you work hard, you will achieve that success, I'm getting here, okay? And with this black cat, for some of you, you might have a black cat, or maybe you are planning to adopt a cat or something like that, I don't know. But definitely with this black cat, your intuition is on point, okay? You have been thinking about this thing, so it's time for action. Next few weeks, I see you taking that charge and leading forward, because you're the leaders. And I feel there is the overall energy. A lot of passion will be there. Next few weeks, you will be very passionate about the things. You will be taking charge. You will be getting a lot of support from other people. a lot of financial help also. Maybe a boss figure will help you, maybe your mother will help you, maybe an older person will be very generous to give you some money or something like that. This person is very for some of you it can be another person, and for some of you I see you are going to become this one, okay, who will have their own money, who will be like very balanced with their money, but you need to do the action, okay. No time for procrastination, no time to think, yeah, I will take more time. Don't wait. Now it's time to do that. You have been working in yourself. Now it's time to take the action, okay. Next few weeks, wow, I'm gonna take this one because it was like this, and rest we will take this. We have victory. Yeah, definitely. I see you becoming victorious, but you need to take the action. So whatever you do will be, you will be feeling very victorious. And with this victory card, you know, this is 6 of Wands energy. So if you are like on YouTube, social media, I see a lot of followers. You're going to recognize, you're going to be recognized for your work or something like that. People will recognize your business if you're starting a business. So yeah, victory is coming. Okay, let's see. Wow, yeah, again action, the word action, look at that. It's time to go, it's time to move forward with your goals. This you know, a Knight of Swords energy is like maybe for some of you fast communication is coming here, okay. Things are coming, maybe it can happen like if you're a business person, maybe you will get a lot of orders and you don't know how to manage that. Maybe that can also happen in the next few weeks, but a lot of communication, a lot of fast movement, okay, for you guys. But for some of you, definitely you need to take the action, you need to follow that lead, you need to move forward without fear, okay, and that will give you a lot of victory. Look, this person is looking here, okay. So yeah, you will get the victory, right? But you need to take action here. Don't stop, don't let your fears stop you from achieving that thing, okay. Just go for it. It's time for action. Yeah, you're moving away from instability. Yeah, you were feeling very unstable, okay. I feel maybe you were very demotivated, you were thinking whether I should take action or not, and maybe you were feeling very confused about things. You don't know where to start, whether you want to do it or not. You were feeling very unstable, but finally I see in next few weeks you're getting out of that energy. For some of you, you were thinking, not taking action. Now it's the time to do that. Now it's not the time to sit back. For group number 3, it's time to do that action. And for some of you, definitely you're going to have that victory. You will have that success. But if you sit back, if you listen to your own fears, then this might not happen, okay. So remember that it's time for action. And for some of you, a communication will come that will take you away from this instability. You're going to move away from a situation that is not serving you. Look, the other card we have is fruition. Wow, look at that. So yeah, you're moving away from instability. New doors are opening for you guys. We have the back of the deck is new beginnings. Yeah, definitely new starts are coming. And for some of you, I feel if you have been working on something, it's going to be, you know, it's going to be fruitful. So if you're doing a business already, if you're on social media already, if you're doing if you're taking action already, I see that will flourish, okay. And for some of you, definitely you're moving away from this instability and you're going to take action, and this action will give you a lot of success in your life, okay, for the next few weeks. But don't let your, I am getting this, don't let your fear stop you, because the only thing that will stop is you, okay. So don't let it stop you. So let's see what the love life is for next few weeks for you guys. Chemistry, okay. For some of you, a fast move, a person is coming very strong, very fast. Maybe it can be an air sign, okay. You will have a very strong magnetic attraction to this person. I feel like that. Maybe for some of you, this will move forward, this relationship will move forward also. Maybe this person will take you from that stagnant energy, or maybe it can be a friend whom you will start talking and then you will develop a relationship. But there is a strong chemistry here, okay. Let's see. Engagement, wow. Yeah, fast movement. Yeah, I'm getting that, you know. And for some of you, definitely I have this feeling also, because of your career, your family life is affected, okay, because of your finances, but I'm seeing you're moving away from that also, okay. You're healing your family issues, you're moving away from that instability and fast action. As I said, for some of you, definitely your love life will be like fast. You will be meeting this person, you will have a strong attraction, and you will be like, yes, I want to spend this rest of my life with this person. Maybe it can be a very fast moving energy. I don't know, for some of you, I see that this might be an air sign, but this person is going to be very, this person will be very this person has their career in place, I feel like that, and this person will take you out from the stagnant, if you're feeling stagnant, I feel this person will take you out from that, and give you hope. A lot of hope is coming your way, I feel like that. But for definitely for some of you, definitely you are committing to this person, and for some of you, you're committing yourself to your work, okay. Yeah, that is also I'm getting here. People are attracted to you, your work. People are attracted to you, your work. If you're in social media, you might have a lot of engagement, that kind of thing is also coming here. People will be like attracted to you, your work, or something like that is also coming strong. So fast movement, okay. For some of you, definitely it can be a person whom you're meeting, and things go at a very fast pace, and you will feel very happy, you will feel very successful about this relationship, because you have that strong chemistry. And for some, definitely a lot of support, a lot of help, a lot of fruition is coming your way. You're moving away from that you're moving away from the instability, stagnant energy, and moving to a place of fulfillment, okay. That is coming strongly here. So let's see what you need to surrender for the next few weeks to achieve this. Let's see what you need to surrender. Oh God, that's a lot. Surrender to the habit of people pleasing. Okay, so you don't have to do that, okay? Stop that. You don't have to please anyone. Be yourself. Okay, be yourself. Don't try to be someone else in order to please someone. Surrender to setting limits, okay? You don't have to set limits for yourself, because because you have this habit of surrender to non-action. So for some of you, definitely you're procrastination, you are thinking that I have to do this. You have been thinking and thinking and thinking, you're not taking action. So it's the time for action. You have the word action, then you have surrender to non-action. So that's a very strong message for you guys. It's time to take action. What you have been thinking, don't limit yourself, just go, because it's your own fear. What other people will think if I do this? What other people will think if I write this? What other people will think? You're thinking about other people. Stop doing that. Don't think about other people. It's time to think about yourself. Don't set yourself to a box. Don't put yourself in a box. Get out of that box and do the action you need. Live your dreams, okay? That is what you need to surrender to. You're so fearful of other people's judgment. You don't have to do that. Do something exciting that you want to do in your life, okay. Don't take that. That is what is very important. And because of that, I feel, because you think about other people, that is why you are like not taking action. I'm feeling like that. You need to take action, okay. Go for it. That is the strongest message, action. Let's see. And when you do that, now things are going to manifest for you guys. A lot of abundance, a lot of prosperity, a lot of financial success. Maybe you need to, oh my God, why are your cards like this? Okay, maybe you need to take a risk and move forward. Sometimes in life you need to take a risk, right? Marriage. Oh, engagement, marriage, commitment. You need to be committed to this work, or maybe a lot of commitment is coming with this person. Yeah, very fast-paced energy. For some of you, you're afraid whether I should take this action or not, whether I should meet this person or not. Maybe you should meet this person. Maybe you're very afraid of marriage or something. You don't want to, I don't know, but it's maybe that can also be there, okay. Yeah, fast move. Yeah, announcements. Some messages are coming your way. Ah, yeah, some person is like texting you. Maybe this person is texting you. Yeah, for some of you are very afraid of this. You're afraid of commitment. You need to let go of that. Because of that, maybe you're not putting yourself out there. So it's time to put yourself out there. I'm getting here. So next few weeks, there is a message coming. There is some announcement happening. So you need to take action to that. Okay, let's see. Yeah, someone going out of your life or the end of a situation. So for you, look, we have this 8 of Cups energy and we have this casket. You're definitely okay, career is also important, so you need to take, yeah, so career, if something was unstable in your career, I think that is ending. For some of you, a new career you might be going, or maybe you will do something social media that you wanted to do for so long. You have been thinking about it. It's time to do the action. If you want, if you were thinking about quitting your career and doing something else, it's time to do that. Okay, something is ending here with this 8 of Cups. Definitely a new, maybe for some of you, a new job. Okay, maybe you are getting out of a relationship that was not helping, moving into a moving by yourself. I'm getting moving to a place where you feel secure, and for some of you, definitely some person is coming very fast movement. This person will be like unexpected, very fast movement. I'm getting here. Okay, something very fast, something very unexpected is happening, guys. Okay, don't be afraid, because I feel this is a very good thing that will happen, even though you might be overwhelmed about it, but I feel it will be okay at the end. Okay, so let's see what is your advice here. Yeah. Oh, mending. For some of you, definitely. Okay, so maybe you're getting a call or something from your old friend or something. You might be mending a relationship for some of you. Okay, and yeah, okay, maybe this will lead to marriage or something. Maybe it can be a friend also. Okay, maybe you're talking to your friend again. Maybe some relationships, you're mending some relationship in the next few weeks. You're talking to someone, or maybe it maybe you're forgiving them and moving forward, or maybe you need to, because this is advice, you need to forgive them in order to move forward in your life. Okay, so forgive yourself, forgive your other people, and move forward in your life. Yeah. Okay, let me take one more for you, because I feel like it. Yeah, a change in the moment. Look, this is like fast movement. Something is changing for you guys, for sure. If you were like feeling stagnant, you're moving away from that. Okay, you're moving from a if you were feeling very stuck, you're moving from that. Change is coming. Definitely things are changing for you. Things are moving fast. Wind is like fast, very fast movement. Things are taking up. For some of you, if you feel like, why this is not taking off, yeah, if your relationship is not taking off, or if your career is not taking off, things might take off suddenly. It can be a career also, it can be a relationship also, because we have marriage, we have career, 2 cards about that. So for some of you, it can be a relationship that will move forward. For some of you, it can be it can be a career that will move forward, and you will be like, wow, this is so cute, something very cute. Okay, I'm getting that energy. So be calm. Okay, be calm, meditate. Okay, a lot of action is happening. Yeah, and you will be also doing that action, and self discipline is it's required, guys, here. Okay, like, look, we have this fruition card also. So if you have been working on something, it's time to reap the rewards, right? So yeah, so let's see what is your affirmation. Oh my god, you got so many, and I'm taking it. I turn every experience into an opportunity. Wow, look, a lot of opportunities is coming your way. Each problem has a solution. All experiences are opportunities for me to learn and grow. I am safe. Okay, so that is your first one. I see clearly. I willingly forgive. Yeah, I was talking about you need to forgive in order to move ahead. You will be doing that. Okay, yeah, with this, yeah, this casket, you are forgiving yourself, you're forgiving other people, you're releasing your past and moving forward. I breathe love into my vision, and I see with compassion and understanding. My clear insight is reflected in my outer sight. Okay, so yeah, I let go of all expectations. Yeah, don't be so caught up in the what could go wrong, or maybe sometimes we are so attached with the results. Let go of that. Okay, that is what you need to do. I let go of all expectations. Okay, I flow freely. And with this agate also, I need to say that it's time to flow freely like water. Okay, I flow freely and lovingly with life. I love myself. I know that only good awaits me at every turn. Okay, then I'm beautiful and everybody loves me. Yes, you're beautiful and everybody is going to love you guys for who you are. Don't be afraid. This people, you were like, no, yeah. You had like people pleasing. Yeah, you don't have to please anyone. Because anyway, you can't please everyone because there will be naysayers anyways, right? Whatever you do, there will be people who will not like. So I radiate acceptance and I'm deeply loved by others. Love surrounds me and protects me. You need to say that. You need to accept yourself the way you are. Let go of other people's expectation. Don't try to please anyone. You cannot do that. Okay? And totally advocate for all situation. I am one with the power and wisdom of the universe. I claim this power and it is easy for me to stand up for myself. So it's time to stand up for yourself. It's time to do the thing you want to do in your life. Speak your truth, guys. Okay, so definitely you're moving away from a situation here that is not good for you. You're moving away. Maybe you're changing homes, or maybe you're leaving something. Maybe you're traveling. Maybe you're relocating. Maybe in the next few weeks you might be traveling also. Okay, so that can also happen. Something very fast change. Definitely very fast unexpected change is happening for you guys in the next few weeks, and you will be very happy about it, I guess. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, stability, security, 8 number. For this, 8 number, I feel financial healing is also happening for you guys. As I said, a lot of money might come for you guys. With this person might give, or maybe you will make money. Okay, books, yeah, read books, because books will give you a lot of, you need to read more, learn more. Don't procrastinate about anything. So yeah, you have been thinking about something, you want to do something, but you're not doing it. It's time for action. It can be reading a book also, right? It can be a small things. But look, 6 number is all about peace, harmony in relationship, caring connections. So definitely, guys, have a cup of coffee and enjoy that coffee. Eat your food, eat healthy, take care of your body, nurture yourself. Oh, you're going to be very hot. Okay, so many people will be attracted to you also. Look, we have fairies. Yeah, protection. Look, bone, you have a bone, wish bone for me. It's like a wish coming true. Okay, maybe you wanted to move somewhere and finally you'll be like moving away from this person or something. Some situation is ending. Definitely, maybe a job, you'll change job. It will be very fast movement. I'm getting very quickly things will happen for you guys. Expect that. Okay, I would say that. Expect fast movement, fast change. You got a lot of, because I have to say, we have this wind here, right? We have this like also fast, and then again we have this action here. 3 cards, fast movement cards, right? So yeah, you were here in this unstable energy. You are moving away from it. Definitely. Like, no, yes, definitely you will move away from it. Next few weeks, lot of changes. Okay, expect that, guys. So let's see. And you will be very happy about it. Okay, this change is going to make you very happy. So it's a very positive change. Moving homes, relocating, maybe changing careers, job. You have been thinking for that. Finally, you're going to take action. If you're Indian, I feel INR, it's like you're making money. Some money is coming your way. Definitely money is coming your way. Indian rupees. For some of you, definitely you're making a lot of money, okay? Fast money is coming or something like that. Yeah, money. We have MONEY, we don't have, but then too I feel like money is coming. Okay. For real, this is happening for real. You'll be like, huh, what is happening? I'm like a very fast movement. Look, we have lion. It's time to act. It's time to act. It's time to take charge. It's time for action, guys. I have to say that for you guys. Don't stop. If you want to do something, if you have been thinking about something, take action here. That is because that will be very beneficial. If you have been thinking about it, go for it. It's time for action, because this thing is going to bring you a lot of stability. Okay, then what we have anything else? Maybe you have your name. Okay, then maybe it's a new career. Okay, because we have pin. Maybe someone will, yeah, you're going to change jobs or doing something new. It can be very fast. Yeah, okay, that can also happen, definitely. Okay, but I feel very you're going to be very busy also. I feel like that. Focus, you need to focus. Okay guys, I'm getting, yeah, we have the word focus. Definitely we have the word focus. It's time to focus. Don't lose your focus. Okay, remember to focus on the only the things that you want in your life, not on the, don't put your energy on something that you don't want. Put your focus only onto the things, your energy only onto that what you want in your life. Remember that. Okay, very important. So very lot of fast paced energy, guys, fast movement. Okay, so yeah, okay. Okay, that is what I'm feeling for you guys. Okay, you know, we have hot chili here and I'm getting the word garmi. So yeah, you know, it's like a hot for garmi also. So you're going to be very hot. People will be attracted to you. I feel like that. Let's see the stickers for group number 3, next few weeks. Yeah, believe in yourself. Focus, believe in yourself. Oh my god, a lot of transformation is happening for you guys. Do what you love. It's time for action. Yeah, the distance between dreams and reality is called action. It's time for action. Okay, how many times did we get the word action? Let's see. 1, 2, we have 3 here. And we have non-action there. One more. Yeah, I have to show you that. What should I say? Yeah, we have action again. So it's time for action, guys. What? Yeah, do what you love. It's time for action. Oh, you're going to inspire so many people. For some of you, it can be a YouTube video. It can be your videos. It can be your blog. Something. The best thing in life aren't things, yeah, you know, sometimes it's more than that, isn't it? So it's like, believe in yourself and move forward, guys. If you want to give light to others, you have to glow yourself, and I see that you're going to be glowing. You're going to be confident, guys, because I see a lot of changes, fast-paced energy for you guys. Things are changing, unexpected. Expect the unexpected, but it's in a good way. Okay, so let's see if you have a yes or no answer to your question. Okay, if you have, let's see. So just ask your question. Let's see what is the answer for my group number 3 for the next few weeks. So it's a yes or it's a no. Oh, we got try again. Okay, why? Let's see once more. It's a yes or a no for group number 3. Oh, ask a friend. Again, for group number 2 also we got ask a friend. I don't know why. But yeah, okay, maybe your answer lies, a friend can give you this answer or something like that. Okay, bye bye, take care.